up, guys? It's your boy Enigma back here with another toy review. This time I got a classic one. Bakugan, Gundalian Invaders. Only a Target, apparently, this one was. And it's coredem, Battle Gear compatible. Also, unfortunately, coredem does not come with the Battle Gear in this pack, but it is the evil clone pack with evil coredem and good coredem. Here's the back of it. There's this one which I have my eyes on, and this one which I'm not interested in because it made dark chaos Bakugan instead of darkness. What? Let's open it up and see what they look like. I'll just continue it first. Just no comes here. 2 Bakugan cards. Two Bakugan, 2 Billy cards, 2 key cards. Let's open. Okay, here's what we got. First one, I'll start with the Bakugan, is coredem. It opens like this on the show. Pretty cool. His G power is 680. This is how he looks when he has battle gear. Ta-da! His arms been a little. Let me show how he looks when he's closed. Oh, and here's his little code. Let's just check the wrapper off. Fun roll up, good coredem, pretty decent. Next up, evil clone coredem. Pretty good detailing. I like him more than the other coredem. Now I'm gonna remove the sticky tape again off the code bar. Let's close it and see how it looks. Yeah, this one does battle gear too. Ta-da! One ball form. Big card time. This one is called Strike Fighter. It must be a character card. This one is called VR Arena number 2. This one's called Shield Smash. And this one's called, let me see, it's called Big and Windy. Pretty cool. Now let's see how our Bakugans do on the gay card. Gay card set. You got first coredem, Bakugan Brawl. That's good. Your next evil coredem, Bakugan Brawl. Sorry. There we go. Okay. We've got to check evil coredem's G power. Whoa, 700 Gs? That's 20 more G's than coredem has. Man, he must be pretty powerful. Okay? Well, that's all the time I have for today, my friends. Remember, keep your imaginations active, your toys played with. And remember, hugs on drugs, and I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell, baby. You won't be sorry. Okay. Now I'm gonna go play with these. Bye!